In 2085, TianCinematic began mapping Earth's harshest desert, searching for hidden resources to create impossible life.
Billions of measurements revealed underground water, mineral deposits, and ideal solar energy across the silent desert.
Autonomous machines rapidly assembled immense solar farms, providing clean energy for every future ecological transformation. Clean electricity-powered batteries, hydrogen storage, and intelligent infrastructure, creating the foundation for an entirely new ecosystem.
Ancient groundwater reservoirs supplied carefully monitored fresh water, ensuring every drop supported long-term ecological restoration.
Purified water quietly traveled beneath the desert, preparing lifeless sands for their first signs of renewal.
TianCinematic analyzed every ecosystem continuously, optimizing energy, water, climate, and restoration with unmatched precision. Autonomous convoys delivered engineered microorganisms, preparing the barren desert for its bursting foundation.
Engineered microalgae and beneficial microbes quietly transformed sterile sand into the foundation of future fertile soil.
Throughout the night, living biofilms stabilize the sand, quietly preparing tomorrow's desert for ecological renewal.
Scientific measurements confirmed living soil was forming. This marked humanity's first successful ecological breakthrough in the desert. Improved soil retained precious moisture, allowing the desert's first resilient plants to emerge naturally. Every ecological indicator confirmed the desert was finally ready. Living plants and future prehistoric restoration could now begin.
Advanced simulations predicted a stable ecosystem, clearing the way for prehistoric forests to return once again.
Humanity had prepared the desert. Next, prehistoric life would help transform it into a thriving green world.
Engineered prehistoric plants successfully adapted, combining ancient genetics with modern resilience for the desert's future.
Thousands of prehistoric saplings entered living soil, beginning the rebirth of an ancient forest ecosystem.
Engineered Psittacosaurus embryos developed safely, prepared to restore ecological balance without threatening modern biodiversity.
The first Psittacosaurus hatched safely, taking cautious steps toward its new ecological mission in the restored desert.
Released into protected habitats, Psittacosaurus naturally spread seeds, accelerating the rebirth of prehistoric forests across the desert.
Healthy Edmontosaurus completed evaluation, preparing to transport supplies.
Edmontosaurus carried vital supplies, allowing prehistoric forests to expand across terrain unreachable by conventional machines.
The restored ecosystem flourished naturally, with prehistoric plants and gentle dinosaurs sustaining life across the recovering desert. Ancient forests transformed the climate, allowing diverse wildlife and sustainable ecosystems to thrive once again. The ecosystem became largely self-sustaining, allowing prehistoric forests to expand naturally beyond the restored frontier. The prehistoric forest matured into a stable ecosystem, supporting wildlife while preparing the land for humanity's green future. Nature and technology advanced together, laying the first foundations of Earth's sustainable prehistoric megacity. Human communities settled beside prehistoric forests, proving advanced civilization could flourish without disrupting nature. Ancient ecosystems and sustainable cities evolved together, creating an extraordinary model for Earth's future. Ancient life restored the land, preparing humanity's first true green megacity to flourish in harmony with nature.
the green megacity flourished, proving technology and prehistoric ecosystems could create a truly sustainable civilization.
Every district functioned like a living forest, producing clean air, fresh water, and thriving biodiversity.
The city's circular economy eliminated waste, allowing every resource to nourish both civilization and nature.
TianCinematic continuously balanced climate, water, and biodiversity, keeping the green megacity healthy through intelligent ecological management.
Scientists and TianCinematic advanced ecological innovation, inspiring sustainable cities across the entire world.
The city produced abundant food sustainably, nourishing millions while strengthening surrounding prehistoric ecosystems.
Clean transportation connected every district, while preserving wildlife movement and protecting the city's living ecosystems.
As daylight faded, intelligent systems preserved energy while protecting both people and prehistoric wildlife.
Powered entirely by renewable energy, the green megacity thrived beneath brilliantly clear night skies.
From lifeless desert emerged a flourishing civilization, where humanity, artificial intelligence, and prehistoric nature prospered together. Advanced monitoring detected a powerful sandstorm early, giving the city valuable time to protect its ecosystems.
TianCinematic coordinated intelligent defenses, protecting forests, wildlife, and the green megacity before the storm arrived.
The restored prehistoric forest absorbed the storm's force, shielding the city and preserving its fragile ecosystems.
Autonomous recovery systems restored the landscape rapidly, confirming the remarkable resilience of the living megacity.
Every challenge improved the ecosystem, making the green megacity stronger, smarter, and more resilient for future generations.
The green megacity inspired nations worldwide to restore degraded landscapes through science, artificial intelligence, and ecological cooperation. Across the world, nations adapted the green megacity model. They used native ecosystems and shared scientific knowledge. Together, science and nature restored ecosystems worldwide, creating a healthier and more resilient Earth for everyone. Human wisdom and intelligent technology safeguarded Earth's living ecosystems for generations yet to come. The green megacity became a living classroom, proving that science and nature could shape a thriving future together. Each new generation accepted responsibility for protecting the living world they had inherited. Continuous learning ensured every generation inherited an ecosystem healthier than the one before. Healthy ecosystems reshaped regional climate, proving restoration could benefit both nature and humanity. Every sunrise reminded humanity that protecting nature is an ongoing promise shared across generations. The greatest achievement was not creating the city, but sustaining the living world for centuries to come. The green megacity inspired a worldwide commitment to restoring ecosystems through science, cooperation, and responsible innovation. Hope grew wherever people and nature worked together, transforming impossible dreams into living reality.
Nightfall revealed a civilization sustained by clean energy, living forests, and enduring respect for nature.
Every generation inherited not only a greener Earth, but the responsibility to protect it forever. Thank you for watching. Together, imagination, science, and nature can build a greener future for generations to come.